Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ilene. So I'm decorating another box, and today I'm using my papers from Maggie Holmes, and I'm just putting some of the papers on the flaps. I think I'm going to put some edging here on the box. This is what I just got from a D-stash, and I think I'll put it to use right away instead of holding on to it. Let's decorate this little box here, okay? Guys, I'm working on a second box. Sorry about the video, it's not that great, but this is what I'm doing now. I just used a different Maggie Holmes paper collection. I don't remember what collection this is, sorry, but yeah, so I'm just adding some of the fringe that I got from KSP by Louisa from the D-stash. I just got it, so I'm using it right away. And this thing is so pretty. It just crinkles up like perfectly, except for this part right here. I don't know why, but it's okay. It still looks really cute. So when she opens up her box, this will all be nice and fluffy, and I'm just trying to get getting the right length on here. Put this, and I just take the hot glue and some more glue in my gun. I just put it right over the edge of the inside, and that's all you gotta do. So I just noticed that some of the fringe is not cut completely, but that's okay. You just gotta rip it gently and lift it up just like that. And it should come out perfect. It's really easy. Whoops. Just like that. So pretty. Very fluffy. So there you go. I got the inside. I got the box ready. And this will be my top cover. It has the ballerina. And this is the bottom, so that when my recipient opens the box, it'll be the bottom, the top. Sorry for the shaking. Let me just raise it up a little bit. There we go. Don't mind my mess in the background. So that is what it looks like when you open up the box, just like that. Okay? And I'm gonna put happy birthday on here, and I'm gonna load in my things, and I'll be back and I'll share it with you.